It must be jelly, cause you know jam don't shake. It must be jelly, cause you know jam don't shake. Yes, yes, she's got what it takes. Yes, yes, she's got what it takes. She's got what it takes. She's got what it takes. It must
ain't no slang like that East Coast slang.
It must be jelly, cause you know jam don't shake. It must be jelly, cause you know jam don't shake. Yes, yes, she got what it takes. Let me tell you, Gate, what I overheard. Don't tell a soul, don't breathe a word. It's a very simple tale, all about a certain frail. How she rolled that jelly roll. Yes, yes, she's got what it takes. She got a shape like Venus, pretty as a rose. Where she comes from, goodness knows. She stretches like a peacock, wiggles like a snake. Let me tell you, for goodness sake, yeah.
This is a really bad idea, and it's all Caitlin's fault. One was not fine.
I've never had that like second to last one so bad. I'm so sorry, Zach. I'm so sorry.
It's 60 degrees outside.
I didn't know you'd get that wet.
She didn't know. I warned her. I warned her. I warned her several times.
We're about to go Star Wars Land, Galaxy's Edge, for the first time.
I feel like I'm gonna hyperventilate. Not
Zach.
really, but I'm so excited.
Zach is a huge Star Wars fan.
It's a beautiful thing.
We're really excited.
I'm very excited.
Okay, ready, Zach?
Yes. It's beautiful. Look at it.
Oh, babe.
Like, look at just like the little control panels.
Oh my goodness.
It's so cool.
This is amazing.
Oh. Look at that.
I know.
Ain't no slang like that East Coast slang.
It must be jelly, cause you know jam don't shake. It must be jelly, cause you know jam don't shake.
For those of you who aren't aware, that's the Millennium Freaking Falcon right there. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Ain't what I overheard. Don't tell a soul, don't breathe a word. It's a very simple tale, all about a certain.
Affirmative.
Oh.
Excuse me, traveler. Mind telling us what you're doing with that data pad?
It's for the Emperor. It's for the First Order.
What are you doing with that data pad?
Hi, Chewie. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Zach's favorite thing.
Easily my favorite food item. The corn dogs are ridiculous. They're like 10 bucks a pop, but I'm probably gonna get several before we're done. We're only here for 2 days. It's hot, but so good.
Yes, she's got what it takes. She got a shape like Venus, pretty as a rose. Where she comes from, goodness knows. She struts like a peacock, wiggles like a snake. Let me tell you, for goodness sake, it must be jelly, 'cause you know jam don't shake.
Oh, this is like an ab workout because I'm like trying to stay.
Do all the work, Zach.
Jelly, 'cause you know jam don't shake. Yeah.
Ain't no slang like that East Coast slang.
Pasco, Bon Natale, Mele Kalike Baka.
Now we're enjoying a rooftop jacuzzi, a rooftop hot tub. Just over there you can see the Disneyland Ferris wheel. Not very well, but this place is so nice, and I tell you what, it feels really good to sit in a jacuzzi when you've been walking around all day.
It must be jelly, 'cause you know jam don't shake. Yes, she's got what
Was I losing
it
pins?
takes.